Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Asana account. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and deactivate your Asana account. Maybe you're no longer using it and you don't want to delete it because you might come back to it. How do you actually go ahead and deactivate your Asana account? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to your Asana account. Next, you're going to click on your profile icon name on the upper right-hand corner, then click on Settings, and then from here, you're going to click on Account. And so we have a blurred out email right over here, but we're going to scroll all the way down to where it says Deactivation. So deactivation, go ahead and click on Deactivate your account and simply just follow the on-screen prompts from there. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and deactivate your Asana account. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.